Imagine for a moment encountering an alien civilization that is 150% smarter than us. What would that be like? Ponder this thought for a moment. Imagine a society so advanced that our greatest triumphs in science look rudimentary. This isn't a mere fantasy. It's a concept that might alter our cosmic comprehension. The idea of an advanced alien civilization isn't new. Years, scientists have speculated on the existence of technologically superior societies. They've proposed a scale, known as the Kardashev Scale, to measure a civilization's progress according to their energy consumption. This captivating concept opens a path to understand the possible of far-off civilizations. The Kardashev Scale categorizes civilizations into three classes: Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3. Each represents a significant leap in technological prowess. For instance, a Type 1 civilization harnesses their planet's entire energy output. Consider the capabilities of a Type 2 civilization utilizing the energy of its star, or a 3 civilization drawing power from its galaxy. But let's not get too far-fetched. The existence of such advanced societies raises deep questions: their intentions, how they'd perceive us, and what an encounter might signify for humanity. Answers to these questions could range from catastrophic interstellar conflicts to chances for humanity to grow. But not rush. Our journey begins with understanding what it means to be a Type 1 civilization. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of advanced civilizations. But first, if you are interested in content like intergalactic, futuristic, or biotechnology and superhumans, then please subscribe to our channel. Since we are still quite small, this would help a lot. Now envision a society with full control over its planet's energy potential. We mean harvesting every wind gust, capturing every sunbeam, and utilizing every raindrop. This level of control extends to the environment, weather, and natural disasters. A Type 1 civilization could prevent earthquakes, halt hurricanes, and reverse climate change. They'd moderate temperature fluctuations, control tidal waves, balance atmospheric gases. Imagine a world where volcanic eruptions are managed and wildfires are a thing of the past. With such power, they could shape their environment to suit their needs, creating utopia that thrives in harmony with nature. Now let's consider humanity's position on this scale. We're way off, sitting around a 0.7. We're still in the early stages of harnessing renewable energy and understanding our environmental impact. We're grappling with pollution, deforestation, and melting ice caps, all while trying to keep up with our insatiable energy demands. But a Type 1 civilization isn't merely about energy consumption. It's about achieving a perfect balance, a harmonious relationship between a civilization and its natural surroundings. It's about respect for nature and using resources without depletion or destruction. It signifies a level of sophistication and responsibility where every action is sustainable, every decision is eco-friendly, and every development is in harmony with the planet. Now, what would be your reaction if I told you there are civilizations even more advanced than a Type 1? Brace yourselves as we leap beyond our planet and into the stars with Type 2 and Type 3 civilizations. Picture a society that can utilize an entire star's energy, wasting not a single photon. That's our Type 2 civilization. Their technology would allow them to build megastructures like a Dyson sphere, to harness and use every of their star's energy. Now compare this with our current technology that only uses a fraction of the sun's energy, reaching what a contrast, right? Let's take a leap forward. A Type 3 civilization would go beyond their star. They would control the energy of their whole galaxy. That, the power of billions of stars harnessed. It's overwhelming, isn't it? And where do we stand in this grand scheme? We're not even at Type 1. We're at Type 0, slowly moving towards Type 1. We're still figuring out how to harness the power of our planet, let alone our star or galaxy. But this isn't just about energy harnessing. It reflects the advancement of a civilization. A Type 2 or 3 civilization could have made leaps in fields like artificial intelligence, quantum computing, interstellar travel, and maybe even time manipulation. But isn't to belittle us. It's to show our potential, our glimpse into what we could achieve if we push our knowledge and technology boundaries. Now that we understand the vast differences in technological capability, let's imagine what an encounter with such a civilization might entail. How would a civilization 150% smarter than us interact with us? The possibilities are endless, and some quite chilling. Venturing into the realm of speculation, we can predict various outcomes. One possibility is that they might perceive us as we view less intelligent species on Earth, considering us a curiosity, a subject for scientific or leisurely observation. However, in a darker scenario, they might bear ill intentions. Imagine a war between humanity and these advanced aliens. It's a frightening thought, but with superior intelligence often comes a desire for control. If they coveted our planet's resources or viewed us as a threat, they could resort to warfare. The aftermath would be devastating, with our current technology being no match for theirs. The ensuing war could cause widespread destruction and loss of life, altering our planet irrevocably. We could find ourselves in a post-apocalyptic world, striving to reconstruct civilization from the ruins. On the brighter side, these superior aliens might arrive in peace, offering to share their advanced knowledge and technology. This could lead to a surge in our own scientific and technological advancement, propelling us into an era of prosperity and knowledge. Even in a conflict, there's the potential for progress, as we develop new strategies and technologies in our fight for survival. So, while the idea of interacting with a civilization 150% smarter than us can be intimidating, it's not all doom and gloom. There could be some silver linings in such an encounter. What if this encounter, rather than spelling our doom, presents unprecedented opportunities? Picture a scenario where this interaction leads to a gathering of intellects, igniting a resurgence of human inventiveness. A rendezvous with a society more advanced than ours by a colossal 150% could lead to unprecedented breakthroughs in our comprehension of the cosmos, thereby bolstering our scientific and technological capabilities to levels hitherto unseen. This encounter could serve as a gateway for limitless potential, ushering in an epoch of cultural assimilation that could immensely enrich our societal fabric. With this exposure, our civilization could be showered with brand new viewpoints, pioneering ideologies, and path-breaking ways of problem-solving. We could potentially delve deep into their successes and failures, their unique methods of conflict resolution, and aptly assimilate these teachings, tailoring them to suit our indigenous context. This could well be the impetus our civilization needs to ascend to the next level of existence. Who knows? With their expert mentorship, we could well be on our way to transition from a Type 1 to a Type 2 civilization. This would mean the energy of our entire solar system. It's an awe-inspiring thought, isn't it? The prospect of tapping into such massive power and utilizing it for the betterment of humanity is simply mind-boggling. In the grand scheme of the universe, we are undeniably neophytes. However, an interaction with an advanced alien civilization could provide us with the necessary incentive to unfurl our wings and soar skywards. It is time to think, to dream, and to dare. To envision a future where humans are not just earthbound entities, but cosmic beings.